Hello everyone, my name is Prajakta Kamre. In this video, I am going to present cash flows and life cycle state of a company as my presentation topic for analysis of financial statements. So let's start the video. So first we discuss about what is business life cycle. The business life cycle is the progression of a business in phases over a time. A business life cycle is a cyclical representation of the stages an average business goes through from a seeding to decline and renewal. Seeding phase is a launching phase of business. This is evaluationary overview helps entrepreneurs and leaders optimize growth through the key stages, increasing the value of their business. Small and medium sized business entrepreneurs typically prefer to look at the evaluation of their companies in terms of business growth. They develop their businesses as legacies and strive to keep them relevant in the long run. On the other hand, serial entrepreneur typically look to grow their brand and likely sell it at its peak for maximum profit. They look at their business ventures from the life cycle perspective. It is most commonly divided into five stages. The life cycle of any business is divided into five stages. First one is launch, or we can say it is a seeding stage. Second one is growth. Next one is shake out. Fourth one is maturity, and fifth one is decline. The cycle is shown on a graph with the horizontal axis as a time and the vertical axis as a dollars or a various financial metrics. So in this diagram we can see the graphical presentation of life cycle of business. At a launching stage, there is no profit, no loss, and cash flow is also negative. Then in growth stage, graph is increasing, highly increasing, and at shake out, it is its peak point. In a maturity level, it is started to slightly decline, and finally the decline stage is shown in this graph. So one by one, discuss about stages of business life cycle. Then phase 1, launch. Each company begins its operations as a business and usually by launching new products or services. During the launch phase, sales are low but slowly and hopefully steadily increasing. Business focus on marketing to their target consumers segments by advertising their comparative advantages of value propositions. However, as revenue is low and initial startup costs are high, businesses are prone to incur losses in the phase or in this phase. In fact, throughout the entire business life cycle, the profit life cycle lags behind the sales cycle and creates a time delay between sales growth and profit growth. Finally, the cash flow during the launch phase is also negative but dips ever lower than the profit. This is due to the capitalization of initial startup cost that may not be reflected in the business profit but that are certainly reflected in its cash flow. Next is phase 2, that is growth phase. In the growth phase, companies experience a rapid sales growth. As sales increases rapidly, businesses start seeing profit once they pass the break-even point. However, as the profit cycle still lags behind the sales cycles, the profit level is not as high as sales. Finally, the cash flow during the growth phase becomes positive, representing an excess cash inflow. Business at this stage tend to have customers and client of uh, 7 or more than 7 years, strong cash flow and profit, and low turnover. Third phase is checkout phase. During the checkout phase, sales continue to increase but at a slower rate, usually due to either approaching market saturation or entry of new competitors in the market. Sales peak during the checkout phase. Although sales continue to increase, profits start to decrease in the checkout phase. This growth in sales and decline in profit represents a significant increase in cost. Lastly, cash flow increases and exceeds profit. Phase 4 is a maturity stage of business. When the business matures, sales begin to decrease slowly. Profit margins get thinner while cash flow stays relatively stagnant. As firms approach maturity, major capital spending is largely behind the business and therefore cash generation is higher than the profit on the income statement. However, it is important to note that many businesses extend their business life cycle during this phase by reinventing themselves and investing in new technologies and emerging markets. This allows companies to reposition themselves in their dynamic industries and refresh their growth in the marketplace. The last stage of any business is decline. In the final stage of business life cycle, sales, profit, and cash flow all decline. During this phase, companies accept their failure to extend their business life cycle by adapting to the changing business environment. Firms lose their competitive advantage and finally exit the market. However, renewal efforts should really begin before the decline phase sets in. Good business leaders should be able to anticipate the change in the business and market beforehand. So this is all about the cash flow and life cycle stages of company. Thank you.